Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the phone off and laying it face down on a soft, stable surface. Do this to protect the screen and align your work. Once done, gather a thin pry tool, needle nose tweezers, and 70% plus isopropyl. These let you loosen adhesive and lift components without scratching. Make sure you're grounded to avoid static discharge, and position a light source to reveal seams. Starting right away reduces risk and saves time. You now open the case seam by inserting the pry tool and moving in small, controlled increments. This prevents cracking. Next, locate the Magsafe ring and any visible adhesive tabs. If the ring resists, apply brief, gentle heat to soften glue so components separate cleanly. Once accessible, lift the Magsafe connector slowly while watching nearby cables. Use tweezers to disengage tiny clips or back out small screws, because careful, steady motion prevents damage. You finish by cleaning residual adhesive with isopropyl, and if needed, apply thin replacement foam or tape to maintain fit. This preserves structural alignment. Once done, reseat any cables and lightly close the case, then power on to test wireless charging and alignment before final snaps. If charging fails, make sure to reseat the connector, inspect for bent pins or debris, and consider repeating the gentle heat and lift step. If still faulty, stop and consult.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.